All right, now welcome to the Big Seven 4-digit dividends. Man, those numbers just keep getting bigger, bigger, and bigger. But we keep getting better and better and better. So hey, once we master through 2 digits and 3-digit dividends, we gotta go up to 4. We gotta do it. So remember that the Big Seven takes advantage of repeated subtraction and your ability to use the same fact over and over again if you want to. With the wedding cake and the regular division algorithm, you can't do that. But you can do that with the Big Seven. So remember that I know a certain fact, and I'm going to use that fact. And so I know that 7 times 700, I'm going to use that, is 4,900. Remember, guys, like I said, if you just know that fact, use it until you can't use it anymore. Then, once you can't use it anymore, then you go to something else. So we should track 9, 4. We can't take 500 away from 900. We can't take 900 away from 500. Misspeak there. So that's 8. Our regroup here now, that is 1,500. Now I can do that. 15. Take 9. That's 6. And that's 4. Man. I can't use 7 times 700 anymore. I gotta come up now with a new fact that I can use. I'm gonna try it. I'm just gonna reach out there. I'm just gonna jump out there. 7 times 600. Now, and if you want to use something else, that's fine. If you want to use 7 times 100, all the way down until you can't use it anymore, do that. So 7 times 600 is 4,200. We got to subtract. That's 9. That's 4. 6, 2, 4. Now, and here is a sweet thing about using the Big Seven, is that if you know that 7 times 600 is 4,200, then only thing you have to do is say, you know what? If I took one of the zeros off and used 7 times 60, that's 420. And if I subtract, that gives me 9, that's 29. And since I do know my facts, up to 7 times 7, well, 7 times 4 is 28. You remember, you always keep your equal sign and your numbers going inside your 7. So 7 times 4 is 28. 29 minus 28 is 1. And like always, I take my numbers that I use, I circle them, and I add them together. 700 plus 600 is 1,300. Plus 60 plus 4 is 1,364. So this is what I write up here. 1,364, remainder 1. I box it up, and now I have to check it. So let me make my check box. 1,364 times 7. Now go through my heart. 7 times 4 is 28. I regroup my two tens. 7 times 60 is 42. 420 plus 2 is 440. I bring down my 4 tens, and I'm going to regroup my 4 hundreds to the hundreds place. 7 times 300 is 2,100, plus 400 is 2,500. So I bring down my 500s, and I'm going to regroup my 2,000s. 7 times 1,000 is 7,000, plus 2,000 is 9,000, plus 1, should have put that plus right there, plus 1, that's 9, 4, ran out of paper. Let me me write this on the side here. So that's 9, 4, 5, 9. I go back up. We check. 9,549. That is correct. So my answer does check. That 9,549 divided by 7 is 1,364 with a remainder of 1. And here are some problems for you to practice. Make sure you go back, take your time, watch the video again if you need to.